Here we are, folks, April 26th. It has stopped raining now. It rained on Wednesday, the 25th, 2018, and it's raining off and on today. The temperature is 6 Celsius right now. The wind is strong, I'm sure you can hear. Underneath my porch, so I'm not getting wet, but it is a little damp out here, I must say. Let's see if I can let you guys watch the road instead of just looking one way all the time. What do you think, Star? Hey, is it a little chilly out here? Star's out here with me, folks. Freezing her butt off like me. Make everybody dizzy. Starzy! Hey, you enjoying the cold? She doesn't, when it rains or when it's raining, she will go out and do her duties really quick. When it's snowing, no matter how cold it is, she jumps into the snow, rolls all around, buries herself. Then, of course, when she comes in, she's all wet. Silly dog. She doesn't like the rain, but she doesn't mind, even though it's going to melt on her, make her wet. Ain't that right, Star? You like hearing the rain? You just don't like coming down in it, do ya? Anyway, I'll set this down here and you can watch the road. Usually I show you my backyard. Now I'm going to show you the front and the street. Okay, get going, you. Come on. Nobody wants to see a close-up of your bum. Come on. Star, let's go back in and don't knock the camera over. Come on, get away from there, silly. Okay, let's go. This is my door closing, folks. You can enjoy. Back in the house. Everybody enjoyed the view. Not certain what that large noise is in the background, folks. You could hear it pretty loud. Enjoy. God bless everybody. In Jesus' name, enjoy the video of the wet, rainy weather and cars going by. Oh look, Canada's populated.